Welcome back to the AI Buzz. In today's video, we'll explore the incredible versatility of ChatGPT. Can you imagine having an AI that can act as your job trainer, dating coach, tutor, lawyer, therapist, or even a writer? Well, with ChatGPT, it's possible. Stay tuned to discover how this advanced AI technology can revolutionize multiple aspects of your life. But before starting the video, I would like to tell you that if you have come for the first time on our channel, then subscribe to our channel to see more similar videos. So let's start the video. You can hack ChatGPT to act as your job trainer, dating coach, tutor, lawyer, therapist, or writer. Steal these 6 new prompts to get massively ahead. Number 1. Turn ChatGPT into your job interview trainer. Train ChatGPT on your resume. Then get ChatGPT to help you prepare for any interview by generating perfect responses to any question. Number 2. Turn ChatGPT into your dating coach. This prompt will change your dating life. Provide some details, and ChatGPT will get you to respond to some dating questions. ChatGPT will rate your responses from 1 to 10, and help you learn and improve. Number 3. Turn ChatGPT into your tutor using Chatbot. Everyone can have a world-class teacher trained in any topic using this prompt. Learn about any topic, and then type V, F, E, Q, N, H to expand further. Number 4. Turn ChatGPT into your lawyer. With these prompts, you can generate legal arguments for or against, identify relevant legal resources for a specific topic, identify common legal questions that may arise in a case, summarize legal principles applicable to a specific issue. Number 5. Turn ChatGPT into your therapist. This prompt will turn ChatGPT into a therapist, allowing you to ask any question you need. In the example below, ChatGPT outlines specific resources to help with depression. Number 6. Turn ChatGPT into your writer. You can get ChatGPT to write a full book with this prompt. After ChatGPT is done writing a chapter, just type, continue. The potential of AI is truly astounding. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more exciting AI content. Let us know in the comments which role you found most intriguing. See you in the next video. Stay curious and embrace the power of AI. Thank you.